Okay, so cool trick for jumping across the fretboard today. If you're not familiar with this idea, it's based off the fact that the 12th fret, or the double dots, is the exact same thing as the open strings, right? So when we play our open strings, E, A, D, G, B, E, the 12th fret is the same notes, E, A, D, G, B, E. So everything over here is just a repeat or duplicate of what was over here. So to make this example, I'm going to use the pentatonic scale. If I go to the first dot, or the 3rd fret, G, and play a G pentatonic scale, the idea is that if I go to the first dot after the double dots, or the 3rd fret after the double dots, 1, 2, 3, this is the same G. All these notes are the same as the notes that were over here. So this is the same G pentatonic scale, just a higher octave or higher pitch. If I went up to A at the 2nd dot, or the 5th fret, and go to the 2nd dot over here, it's the same exact thing. So it's not just for pentatonic scales, it's for anything that you ever might play, any scale or riff. But pretty cool to be able to play something, let's say down here, and to be able to do it here as well. So pretty cool trick. You can always move and get the higher octave. And this doesn't just apply to the dots, right? If we were at the 1st fret at F, we would go to the 1st fret after the double dots, which is F. So eventually, depending on how high up you go over here, you will run out of frets over here. Just as an example with the pentatonic, if you use B, let's say, 7th fret or 3rd dot, 3rd dot up here is the last pentatonic shape one you'll be able to fit. There's no more frets, like let's say if you went to C or D, unless you have more frets on your guitar. But most guitars top out at 22, some have 24, some have as little as 21. But that is the octave trick to let you jump across the fretboard and play a riff, let's say twice, or a different riff just with the same scale. Give it a shot.